morning, everybody. Just wanted to show you where you get keys cut in the building. Now, I just bought this multi-cab, which came with one key. I'm having 3 more made, 100 pesos each. And where we are here, and this will be easy for you to find. I don't know what the name of this. Oh, there it is, San Juan Street. San Juan Street, and this is the main road through Dumaguete. It's one way right now, and the key shop is right across from Veterans Bank, and it's DIY. And right over here is Lee Plaza. Okay, and it's a little tiny shop. Little tiny shop, but he has done quite well for me. I had a padlock that was combination lock from America that I did not know the code for. He was able to give me the code and reset the lock. The lock is adjustable, and here is his phone number. You need his number, and he has a lot of keys. And here is his shop. It's a very small shop. It doesn't have to be big. And he's cutting my key right now. He even has his doggy. I'm shooting video for YouTube. And your name, sir? What is your name, sir?
Dudu.
Dudu, and this is your shop?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. How long have you owned this shop?
33.
33 years? Oh my. There you go. 33 years. Oh, and here's this puppy. Don't know what this puppy is. Very strange, like a dachshund, like a poodle, but typical mixed up Filipino dog. Now I'd like to show you this. I just purchased this, and I spent about 100K getting this, which things like head turn signals here, I pulled them out because they weren't working, and they actually had these lights set up as turn signals, which I believe these are running, or these are running, but no bulb on this side, no wire on this side. These lights down here are not working at the bottom, these two. The wipers work. I had to pull this off. Was here, but when I moved this seat, the seats went up in height and it was blocking my vision. Now, got a few things to repair. I don't know if the backup lights work. Only one brake light works. These 2 turn signals work. Only 1 turn signal in the front works. This is actually a seat I purchased to get the seat track to make the driver's side seat adjustable. Which typically, what you get with these, only the passenger side seat adjusts because they started right-hand drive, and they never had an adjustable driver's side seat because you just sit over there to drive and they don't care. It's a cheap vehicle. And this one has the motor in the back. Some have the motor under the seat. The motor is under this hatch right here and shoehorned in there like crazy. And frankly, from everything I'm hearing, if you buy one with a rear engine, you will spend a lot more money when you do some repairs because it's a pain in the balls to get to. Not everything. I mean, things like oil change and stuff not the same, but many other things are quite expensive. Took me quite a while, actually. Oh, good. Okay, looks like I have to pay 300.
300.
Okay. Hold that. You hold that. Don't you stick it in anything. Here, Trisha, you shoot me video of me.
What?
Okay? You're on Trisha Cam now.
Bye.
Mama, Papa, Papa.
Getting changed. Okay.
Can
Well, they are
you?
getting my change. Keep it on me. See my face?
Yeah?
Yeah, don't shoot up, don't shoot down here. You're through here. Okay, folks. That's getting keys done in Dumaguete. I'm not sure if there's other places, but this is one. 33 years the man has been here. 100 pesos a key, $2 a key. And we will see how they work. Let's go ahead and test. Let me have it. Hold that. Let's test the keys. Key 1. Not working. Key 2. Not working. Not quite right. Okay. Looks like we'll have to do a little adjustment on the keys, but luckily the vehicle's right here, so you should be able to dial them in. Okay, folks, I think that's good enough. Have a good day, and welcome to the Philippines and Dumaguete. Have a good one, everyone.